240? Okay.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Game over, custom car audio, Sundown audio jazz. What size alternator do you have?
240.
240? Okay.
I got a 240 amp alternator, and then this is a XL LiPo battery.
Okay.
XS LiPo battery.
Is it like super caps?
They look like the super caps, but it's a LiPo battery.
Okay. Nice. What vehicle is this?
2009 Scion TC.
All right.
And then the amps are on the front side of the box. You can see them when you get in.
All right. Do you know what it's tuned to, your box? 33. Oh, there's your amps. Oh, you got the new SFBs.
Yep.
How is it doing for you?
I love them.
Love them?
I got them in my truck too.
Okay. Are you wired 1 ohm?
1 ohm on the 3K, yes.
All right. Is it better door open or closed?
It don't matter.
I'll close it. Have you metered it? Just demo or? Okay. And what was your name for the video?
Bobby Hill.
Bobby Hill. All right.
There's a monster under my bed, and at my window there's a dragon. I accepted the challenge and turned me into a savage. I broke a promise to myself again. I don't know why I'm so vulnerable. There's a creature in my closet. I can hear him roaming around. The demon screaming in the distance creates such a humbling sound. There's a monster under my bed, and at my window there's a dragon. I accepted the challenge and turned me into a savage. I broke a promise to myself again. I don't know why I'm so vulnerable. I'm trying to help, but I won't. There's a monster under my bed, and at my window there's a dragon. I accepted the challenge and turned me into a savage. I broke a promise to myself again. I don't know why I'm so vulnerable. Screaming
Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem, buddy.
That was fun. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.